Hello, today I would like to present you how to extend your battery life on this Motorola LEX L10 IG mission critical LTE handheld that is basically Android smartphone with dedicated push-to-talk button and specialized software that allow you to control Motorola radios. What I extremely like on this unit, because it goes for the commercial segment, it was designed for like public safety, is that in the basic functionality in the stock version, we've got very slim design, and as you can see, the battery is pretty small. It is a nice compact unit. I highly advise you to watch my video when I'm unboxing it and showing in more details, but just for compare, this is something that I carry every day, and this is the iPhone 11 with smart battery case. And if you take a look at those two devices, you can clearly see that my iPhone with the extended battery case is actually a little bit thicker. Because the device was meant for public safety, just like with two-way radios from Motorola, they allow you to customize your battery size to fit your need. And here, for example, I've got the SL. And if you take a look, I've got here extended battery that is sticking up, but giving you longer battery life. And this is exactly what you can do with this unit. You can purchase extended battery, and this is how it's presenting. Here you've got the part number if you would like to order it. If you take a look here, this battery contains almost 5000 milliamp hour, and it is more than you can fit physically in like a cylindrical laptop cell. So those 4500 is really beefy battery, and that battery is so beefy that exactly like on this Motorola SL, you've got no way of putting it inside because it will not fit. So let's try to put this battery inside, and here we've got a place to put our finger, and here you've got the model number for the standard size flap, and I highly recommend watch my short video when I put it into like a stream of running water, and it's got absolutely no problem. So you can clearly see that user replaceable battery do not compromise the water ingress protection. Here we've got our new beefy battery. As you can see, it is almost 17 watt hour. Yes, this is a real beast. Just take a look how beefy it is. We've got those absolutely beautiful cells. Yeah, Motorola, this is exactly what you would like to see. And here we've got our battery that was delivered with the LEX L10 device, and as you can see, it is 8.4 watt hour, so we are basically doubling our capacity. To remove our battery, we have to pull here, and then we can lift our battery just like that. And let's see the size difference, and let's take a look at the size difference. We are basically doubling it. Just take a look what kind of beast it is. Yes, this is a real beast, and we are going to be mounting it exactly the same way. So the bottom goes like this, and we are clicking it in place. But right now we've got absolutely no way of closing it down because it will not fit. So we need another element from the Motorola, and here you've got the order model number. And it is a very specialized flap that give you that extra room. Let me give you a good angle. Just take a look at the difference. And this is how it's presenting. Absolutely beautiful. We've got the Motorola logo. So let's try to close it down. This is extremely important that we are going to get a good watertight seal. So we click it just like that, and we are checking it out from all the sides. Everywhere it nicely clicked. It is nice and weatherproof. And just take a look how beefy it is. Now looks like it is a little bit thicker than my iPhone. Absolutely beautiful. This is exactly what you would like to have from a device that is going to be like you are going to be depending on. Just take a look. Yeah, this is a good feel. It even grip better because you've got that spot. Very nice. And let's take a look. Will it boot up? And yes, of course. Let's take a look at the Motorola logo. Will we see the mission critical LTE? Because this is what you would like to see. Let's take a look. Yes, we've got the mission critical handheld. This is exactly what you would like to see. Absolutely beautiful rugged device with the built-in push-to-talk. So this is how you can double your battery life. And here we can make a visual compare across the Motorola ION. So as you can see, it is still much beefier device, but they both look great in my personal opinion. So yeah, this is exactly what you would like to have. And just as bonus, here we've got the Motorola R7 in the UHF version. And this is how they are presenting. Absolutely beautiful Motorola logo. Oh, we have to remove it. So you know that this is my device. Yeah, this is how they are presenting. So in one hand you've got the radio, in other you've got the LEX L10. So this is how you can double your battery capacity and technically double your battery life. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.